Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. To take out the battery, you will have to unscrew the holding plate. Using a socket wrench, a long extender, and a 13mm socket, unscrew the fastening plate of the battery. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the car still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a small socket wrench, an extender, and a 10mm socket, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. Once the terminal has been removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Remove the plastic protection. Using a 10mm spanner, unscrew the positive terminal. Remove the box lid from the battery. Push down on the plastic tab. This will allow you to open the plastic casing. Then, using a ratchet and a 13mm socket, loosen the cable retaining nut on the positive terminal, plus. Using a pry bar, unclip the cable from the box. Then remove the box.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
You can now remove the battery. Take this opportunity to clean the battery tray. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new battery and remove the protective covers. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Reinstall the box first and tighten the nut with the 10mm socket. Reinstall the cable. Screw the nut holding the plus terminal cable in place. Put the cover back on. Then put the negative terminal back in, ensuring you insert it fully, before fixing it in place with a socket wrench. Put the plastic cover back on. Put the battering fastening plate in place. Then screw the bolt back in. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.